Okay. Has the person been subject to a previous court-ordered psychological evaluation? It says no. That's a lie. Signed a release for Elmwood. Amazing. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. It's not even the same. Here's mail fraud right there with an alias name for their medical benefits, which is just ridiculous. These people don't understand. So right there is fake mail. That's a federal charge. And medical malpractice, but they're ignoring that. These are all the case numbers that they looked into, and they can manage to get all of their charges, too. Very interesting. So I would definitely get into that. The only thing that I have for my kids, okay, this says St. Louis Regional Hospital. Doesn't even have their names, and has their footprints. No names, just footprints. And then this says Santa Clara Valley Medical Center, so it doesn't even match. And then my daughter's name is Isabel. Swapping, swindling. This is the phone contract I got. This is the parent information for my classes. This is the drug testing information. This is a birth certificate for my daughter, and it's not even a legal document, and it has under the bridge for her birthplace. Isn't that nice? They don't really seem to respect feelings. And let's see. This is proof on people that have fake Facebook accounts and are doing things with animals. And now I've been blamed for my first service animal, which was a $4,000 dog. Now they've come after my shepherd, which the other videos have. And so they're ignoring that too. So it's amazing how they can sit there and do all this bad business and then want to act like people are incompetent, but clearly clearly the animal business and the human trafficking business are one and the same. And here's something from the same individual. They protect their informants, even though when they go to jail, how cute. I'm like, this is the stuff that you have to deal with. Also, we have a St. Joseph's and St. Mary's Church, which I don't understand when they're not saints, how they're able to do anything. And that's my medical paperwork. And this is the information. So apparently these people feel that entitled. And I have the Church of Seventh-day Adventists doing extorting, fictitious business, and this is a crime, and the person still lives in the home, and they're allowing evidence to be tampered with. So that's extortion right there. So here I'm doing my job for free, which is really annoying, and they're getting paid, and I'm not really sure why. It's a bit much. These were court dates, and the dates don't even match the juvenile court. Let's see. This is the documents. And they're supposedly in protective custody. Supposedly. That's my neighbor. And you notice his dog's barking, and the funniest thing is the dog sitting there telling on these people. They don't come for my neighbor or them. Okay, child is not detained. Their biological father, it's just for the mother. The father's unknown. I still have not gotten any DNA. Superior Court, which is interesting. This is the person of one of the emergency in San Martin. And they didn't even do their signature, for Christ's sakes. Somebody. That's illegal. Failure to protect my ass. So that's a kidnapping charge. Carlos Diaz didn't even sign for Carlos Diaz. That's illegal. And the judge isn't even the same judge. I have Judge Chong. Okay. There's this. And let's see here. And then there's a dog crying next to me as well with the other neighbor. So they sit there when I get my dog taken for no reason. Then all of a sudden they're dogs. So these people are involved in my case, and that's an issue because they're doing bad business and mocking a British name of royalty, which is an issue. These people tell me call Community Solutions. Okay, well, what is Community Solutions going to do when you're doing bad business, for Christ's sakes, and you're breaking the law illegally, and the police are doing abuse of power, and you have this type of level of crime? Isn't that interesting? And let's see, here's my dog. This is just one of the pieces of paper. And I did, and here's where the shot information is that they told me that was required. So I thought that was interesting because I handed them the proof and they are aware that it's a service animal. So they keep coming after my kids and my dogs. That's a bit much. And I'm homeless on the streets and broke with stolen documents. And that's the thing about diplomat community in this country. This is how you get treated. The dogs give a shit, but the informants over there don't understand English. And that's the thing about it. They don't give him trespassing tickets. They don't even bother him. They're up my ass harassing me. So that's clearly like, and then in the court documents, how interesting that they have my born-in right exposed. Here's my second alias name. Esponza was never part of it, and I did message that number, no avail.